Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another quick video for you. A couple months ago my uncle was here and he put these nonis in a big mason jar. So I'm going to extract the juice and strain it today so I can have some noni juice to have because health is strength, and let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food. Stay tuned. This is what fresh noni, somewhat ripe off the tree, looks like. And this is after they've been in this jar since, I want to say, July, August. Doesn't really smell too bad, so pray for me because I hear that, yeah, it smells like almost like wine consistency. Doesn't smell bad. I opened it a few minutes ago to let it breathe. So I'm going to put it in the blender. I would say I don't like the consistency of them. Yeah guys, so my strainer is going to take a month of Sundays. So I'm putting it in my cheesecloth so I could use some elbow grease to get it out. Doesn't smell too bad. Maybe it's the taste that I'm running from, but we'll see. Transfer into a bigger mason jar so I don't waste any of it. pressurized, so it will last longer. Just going to let it cool on the counter, and then it's going to be in the fridge. You can see the steam coming off of it. I'm going to prep the next batch of noni, so in a couple months I'll have some more. All set. See you in a couple months.